Good day, savvy savers. Ever walked into Dollar Tree and wondered what hidden gems you are missing? Properly, nowadays, we're revealing 50 shockingly beneficial Dollar Tree hacks that'll prevent money, time, and stress. Permits dive right in. Hack 1. Use Dollar Tree's mesh laundry baggage as organizers inner your tote or baggage. Hack 2. Take hold of their over-the-door hooks to immediately add putting space in lavatories or closets. Hack 3. Use pool noodles to fill the gap below doors. Cheap and great for insulation. Hack 4. Choose up cord dish racks and use them to shop folders, slicing boards, or pans vertically. Hack 5. Their pill organizers make top-notch garage for beads, screws, or even weekly rings. Hack 6. Use their plastic containers and a few zip ties to create a DIY drawer organizer. Hack 7. Get Greenback Tree's clean plastic photograph albums and use them to keep coupons or recipes. Hack 8. Purchase clip-on ebook lighting, ideal for beneath cupboard lighting fixtures or closets. Hack 9. Use Dollar Tree's baskets to create a cheap and organized pantry machine. Hack 10. Snatch their cookie sheets for DIY magnetic boards. Simply spray paint and add magnets. Hack 11. Plastic cutting boards make amazing drawer liners or craft mats. Hack 12. Use their bathe curtain jewelry on a hanger to store scarves, ties, or belts. Hack 13. Get their vacuum garage baggage for seasonal clothes. Big value for only $1. Hack 14. Use a Dollar Tree muffin tin to arrange earrings or hardware gadgets. Hack 15. Their sink mats make extraordinary drying trays for baby bottles or kitchen objects. Hack 16. Use foam forms for lightweight shelving or wall decor bases. Hack 17. Choose up gift baggage and frame the artwork. Instant DIY wall art. Hack 18. Their toothbrush holders make amazing pen and marker organizers. Hack 19. Use floral foam to soundly maintain makeup brushes, screwdrivers, or crafting tools. Hack 20. Purchase a mesh laundry bag and hold it inside the vehicle for trash. Reasonably priced and powerful. Hack 21. Greenback Tree placemats can double as fashionable desk runners or drawer liners. Hack 22. Use plastic condiment bottles for pancake batter or craft paints. Hack 23. Get binder clips and glue them in your desk for DIY cord holders. Hack 24. Pick out small mirrors and create your own reflected wall artwork university. Hack 25. Take hold of a shoe organizer and hold it behind the door for cleansing resources or snacks. Hack 26. Use sandwich bins to present snacks for children at the move. Hack 27. Buy microfiber cloths and cut them up for reusable makeup wipes. Hack 28. Use clothespins from Greenback Tree to seal snack bags or organize mail. Hack 29. Buy their cake adorning materials for DIY cleaning soap or candle-making kits. Hack 30. Turn their cord baskets the wrong way up to use as risers in cabinets. Hack 31. Use plastic storage containers for meal prepping on a budget. Hack 32. Grasp shower caps to cowl food bowls or for journey shoe covers. Hack 33. Use glass candle holders for organizing lavatory necessities or cotton swabs. Hack 34. Get their LED tea lights for a relaxed, flameless atmosphere at nighttime. Hack 35. Buy their slicing boards to apply as lap trays for children crafts or food. Hack 36. Greenback Tree's zip bags make top-notch tour-size packing cubes for socks and undergarments. Hack 37. Use their magnetic clips for refrigerator employer, notes, payments, or reminders. Hack 38. Grasp puzzles or coloring books for cheap rainy day activities. Hack 39. Use plastic crates and zip ties to make stackable garage cubes. Hack 40. Buy seasonal decor and upcycle it for DIY wreaths and centerpieces. Hack 41. Use foam rollers from the hair phase to wrap and shield cords or string lighting fixtures. Hack 42. Their snack bins are ideal for organizing nails, screws, or thumbtacks. Hack 43. Grab their plastic tablecloths for DIY photo backdrops or picnic mats. Hack 44. Select up binder pouches to organize automobile registration or manuals in your glove box. Hack 45. Use silicone ice cube trays for earrings, tablets, or craft beads. Hack 46. Get alphabet blocks and paint them to create custom call symptoms or labels. Hack 47. Use plastic plant pots for bathroom or desk storage. Hack 48. Snatch their clean nail polish to seal labels, thread ends, or stop fabric fraying. Hack 49. Use their pop-up hampers inside the trunk of your vehicle for groceries or sports tools. Hack 50. And sooner or later, use their placing garden hooks to organize pots, pans, or mugs with fashion. And there you have got it. 50 enormously clever greenback tree hacks that virtually work. Allow us to recognize which one you're trying first, or if you were given your very own secret Dollar Tree tip. Don't overlook to love, remark, and subscribe for greater clever tips and budget hacks.